I do trust you.
Is that better?
And it would be nice to have someone in my life aware of what's going on with me. So I want to introduce you to some.
Yeah?
His dad instincts are kicking in.
Sure. No. Damn it. Yeah.
Turn on the light.
It is on. It's on.
The one in the back.
Oh, I didn't know.
Go ahead, no. No. No.
What are you trying to do?
No. Yeah, that's a lot too.